The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself.
I realized I'm always wearing this t-shirt whenever I'm vlogging. But do you know that thing where you have some t-shirts where you wear it most of the time? Like, I think everyone has one such t-shirt in their wardrobe. So as soon as you wash it, you wear it. So I think that is the place that my t-shirt holds. Anyways, if you guys remember, I had started numbered painting, and I have a good news. I finished the painting. I mean, there's some little touches that I have to do, but apart from that, it's all done and it looks so gorgeous. I'm so happy with, you know, how it's turned out. Like, it's so beautiful. I cannot wait to frame this up. Now that the painting activity is done, I was on the lookout for a new hobby, something that will, you know, keep me away from looking into my phone for like a really long period of time. And I found this puzzle book. It's basically like a word search. I got this from Dollarama, guys. So Dollarama does definitely have good stuff if you look. So I've started kind of solving these, and it's so much fun. Like, you know, the other day I just went to a cafe with this book, was listening to songs and was getting the puzzles done. It was so much fun. Like, you know, there's no stress, and also I feel like it's very, very relaxing and calming. Like, you just have to look through the words. I don't know, I really like this activity. So in case you're looking for an activity which will help you stay away from your phone or your, you know, or any kind of screen, then I highly recommend this. It's a long weekend here in Canada, and I wanted to empty my fridge to make lunch, and I have avocados and a bag full of spinach, and I also have pasta. So I'm planning on making avocado spinach pasta. This is how my pasta looks. Moment of truth. This is so good. It's got like a really creamy texture and the right amount of spice. all thanks to the pepper and chili flakes, but this is so good. I just woke up some time back and the tulips have bloomed so beautifully. Initially they were all closed up. I'm going to insert a picture here in case you've not already seen it on my Instagram, but now I am literally so happy because there's an exclusive matcha cafe that's opening up here in Toronto, and they have invited me for their tastings. I've already had a sneak peek at their menu and everything looks amazing. I'm going to be taking you guys along as well. Is it good? Yeah, just pistachio. I just got ready to go downstairs because my building has a Lego / hobby room where you can build Legos, do your craft, art, etc. I'm super pumped because they also provide like a Lego box that I can make use of. So that's going to be my activity for the evening. So we have a box full of blocks here. I'm still thinking what to build. I might build like a house and like a pool house and like I thought I'll build a house because I saw like the lamp top. There you go, the top of the lamp. And there are windows as well, so that's the first thing that came into my mind. And there's like a cute door as well.